Making slime has been one of my favorite activities as a kid. Slime is squishy, it's gooey, it's fun to make and play with. You can make it any color you want. It's so satisfying to squish it and pull it apart and then pull it back together. I hope you like slime because today we're going to show you how to make your own slime. Hi kids!
Hi!
How are you today?
Good. Since Christian still doesn't feel good, I have my big sister Jasmine here.
All right. Well, today we're covering letter S. One of my favorite activities that starts with letter S is definitely a slime.
Ooh, I love slime.
All right, that's what I was going to ask. Do you like making slime?
Yes! Mr. Spiky, I've never made slime before.
How have you not made slime before?
It's okay, we'll teach you.
Yeah, it's really easy.
So tell me, why do you like slime or making slime?
Well, slime, it's so stretchy and so squishy.
Yeah, and it relieves stress too.
Yeah.
Oh, it helps you to relax, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's just fun to play with
Yeah.
overall.
Very cool.
It's satisfying.
Oh, and guys, remember, if you like this video, then don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, can you tell me what it is that you have on the table today?
We have a bowl.
We have bowls. We have a bunch of different types of glue. We have some baking soda. We have some beads.
We have a spoon.
And we have food coloring.
Contact
Yeah, and shaving cream to make fluffy slime.
Okay, what kind of colors do you have for the food coloring?
We have blue and sky blue and creamy peach.
Oh, those are very nice. So these are the ingredients to make slime?
Yeah.
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 All right, shaving cream and the glue?
Yeah.
That's kind of gross, baby, no? All right, well, let's go. Let's make it then.
Okay. Here, Jasmine.
Okay, I'm gonna do the color changing slime. So mine's gonna go from yellow to red.
And I'm gonna do clear slime.
Very nice. What
I'm
about
doing normal.
Melissa?
I'm doing normal blue.
A normal.
you're gonna make fluffy slime.
Well, yeah, but
Oh, it's gonna be a fluffy slime?
Yeah.
Nice.
So you're gonna get this shaving cream, and we all get the lime solution and baking soda.
Yeah, let's start.
Okay.
Right.
Put your glue in.
Make sure you tell me what you're doing, okay?
So first you have to put in the glue.
Okay.
I think you have to take the cap off because it's so hard to squeeze it.
That's a good tip, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Don't spill it everywhere.
Yeah, don't put the glue on your hair.
Could you help me open this?
Yes. Here you go. Thanks. Oh, Melissa. Oh no, be careful.
I know it was pouring from
Melissa's
there.
having a lot of fun.
She's gonna have a lot of fun.
So how much glue do you put in?
Probably like a lot.
Well, it matters how
Half
much.
a bowl?
I accidentally put a little bit too much, but you usually put around a quarter of a bowl.
Okay. And so what next? You wait till it all becomes gluey?
Well, next,
You put baking soda.
Ah.
Put little by little to make
yeah,
sure.
put only a little bit at a time.
Because there's different consistencies of slime. There's really sticky slime, then there's like normal slime, and then there's slime that if you put too much baking soda and lens solution, that it becomes like almost like a putty, and you can't really stretch it.
Make sure to only add little by little, Melissa.
Yeah.
Is this good?
Oh, that's a little too much, I think.
All right. Well,
Like that.
That's only
I
one
think,
spoon?
Melissa,
Yeah.
your slime will be the fluffiest.
Yeah.
Definitely.
And then can you give me the lime solution?
Oh yes.
Do I just squirt it once?
Mix.
Squirt.
Mine's almost like a mustardy yellow color.
Yeah, it's gonna turn pretty red after.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a honey type slime.
And then you're gonna take food coloring, and then you poke a hole with toothpick. Make sure do not touch it because it will stay on your hands for a pretty long time. When you get some on, and then Melissa, you just swirl it around in the glue, and yeah, the dye will go on there.
And now you do the same thing with this one,
Yeah.
with the toothpick.
Ooh, that looks like honey. I want to eat it.
Maybe honey mustard.
Yeah.
Honey
I
mustard.
don't want to eat the honey mustard. Slimy.
Slimy but not stretchy yet. Jasmine, look at mine. And some has
Really sticky.
So is mine.
I think I'm gonna have to mix it with our hands.
mine's really, I don't know.
So once you mix it real good, what goes next?
Well, it matters.
On what type of slime you make. So I added food dye. Well, after you add that, you can start playing with it with your hands.
Yeah, to make sure that you mix it all really well.
Yeah.
But if you're making fluffy slime like Melissa, you're gonna add shaving foam to it.
Foam.
Yeah, you definitely. Oh, do you know that was a lot? You definitely need more solution.
Oh, I did not know that.
Yeah, and baking soda.
Alright, I think it's
For me, I think I should start playing with the slime with my hands. Ooh, that's nice and that's really sticky.
Me too, I think so.
So Regina, yours is a pinkish color, right?
Yeah.
Like a peachy pink, to be honest.
It's stuck to the spoon.
Oh yeah. That means that you're ready. Take it off and play with it with your hands. So you're just gonna like pick it up,
Oh,
just take it, and then you roll it into a ball. And then you
I didn't add the shaving cream.
yeah, it's okay. You make it first, and then you can put the shaving cream in.
Why do you need a shaving cream?
To
Make it floofy.
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah.
And the more shaving cream you add, the fluffier it'll be.
Yeah. Just don't put too much, or else it's gonna be really sticky.
Yeah, one time I put too much and it was really sticky.
It definitely makes slime. I remember.
Mine's hard.
Well, it is at first, but then the more you play with it, the softer and stretchier it will get. Okay.
I really like my blue, and I like Regina's. It's like a kind of
Ooh,
strawberry-ish
this is
color.
satisfying.
Oh, and for mine, I'm gonna add these beads.
Beads.
I don't want
Make
it.
it crunchy.
Can you help me open this?
Yes.
I ripped apart.
It's real sticky. That's most of slimes when you just start mixing it.
Ooh.
I'm pretty sure that's...
So while you're playing with your slime, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
What other words that starts with letter S are important to know?
Smart?
Smart?
Yeah, because if you weren't smart, you wouldn't know the most simplest things.
That makes sense. Smarty pants.
There's also strength.
Strength.
Because if you need strength for a lot of things, not only to lift up heavy things, but also to get through tough times.
What else?
There's like small.
Small.
Yeah, like my sister is small.
And you're tall.
What else?
Big.
Let me think. There's also
Simple.
yeah, simple.
Simple. Okay.
It's a really simple word.
Simple is a very simple word. And if there wasn't such a word as simple, then everything would be hard for you.
There's a one word that I can't help but to think about.
Slime.
Oh, slime, yeah, but what else? what are you doing right now?
Smiling.
Yes, finally, you got it.
Okay, Mosa, I think it's time to add your shaving cream.
It didn't get stretchy.
Smiling is very important, right?
Shaving cream.
Look at
Can I add
my slime.
Yes. Add just a bit.
It looks like it has little
Good?
pearls in
Yeah.
it.
It does.
Look at your slime, girls.
Slime's going crazy.
The slime is going crazy. It's escaping.
Oh no.
Regina, are you going to use them as the jump ropes?
Oh yeah, let me try. I don't think that will work.
Almost.
Not really.
Yeah.
That's worth a try.
I know. Ripping mine apart.
So, Jasmine, what kind of slime do you have now? Is it a honey mustard type of thing deal?
Yeah.
Love
Honey
it.
mustard slime.
Love it. And what about you, Melissa? Is this what's the color?
Sky blue.
Sky blue.
My face is blue.
And Regina?
Mine's coral pearl.
Coral pearl. It's absolutely beautiful.
Thank you.
I think it matches your dress a little bit.
Oh, a little bit.
Yeah.
Don't get it on your dress.
Yeah.
Your mom's gonna kill you.
Oh, that's loud. Face mask.
Don't get it in your hair. Careful. Don't get it in your hair or else it's gonna be really, really hard to take out.
Yeah.
Regina's bees are going everywhere.
They're
on the loose.
Like 5 feet.
More than 5.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Next week, we're going to release a new episode. If you don't want to miss it, then...
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye!
Bye.
The slime's saying bye. Ah!